Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well and sharing something with you a small weekend trip to Chinchoti. We had our favorite snack, vada pav. Although we had planned for the main Chinchoti waterfall, but since it was a declared red alert a day ago, we were not allowed to the main spot by the officials. Anyhow, some locals suggested for another small waterfall alongside a river nearby or just a distance away from the place. And we went to the spot and it was worth everything for the time and efforts. And once we reached here, we started taking some photos. Here we go. Story behind of this picture is the importance of water, and this was explained by Miss Purva. Good girl. We had really a great time with this amazing bunch of people.